Hola, this is Vicente Candel and this is my bike check. I run the Beniel grips with plastic bar ends. I ride the Beniel 4-piece bar 8.85. It's the first time I'm riding the 4-piece bar and it feels so good. The stem is the Feed BF. I ride the Pirate Brújula headset with the Feed Blade 2 fork. The front hub is the Pirate Pro with the Pirate plastic pegs. Tires are the Feed FAF 2.25. The frame is the Feed Savage frame, the Uncover signature. I ride the 20.75. The cranks are the Feed PC Indent 24-175. Pirate pedals with the Pirate chain and the Feed key drive sprocket 28 tooth. The back wheel is Pirate 2, the Popa, and the seat is the Feed Barstool seat with the Feed C-post. That's pretty much my bike. Esta es mi bicicleta y me gusta mucho. Thanks to Feed Bike and Pirate Bikes. That's it. Thanks for watching my bike check. Gracias por ver mi bike check. Subscribe to the Comap. Suscribiros a the Comap. Y viva España.
Hey, I'm Dan Crook and this is my bike check. First off, we have the We the People Sterling bars. They're 9.2 rise. I don't have them cut down just because I like the way they come stock. Feel really good for bar spins and yeah, there's no reason to come down. I run them a little bit forward just because it gives